Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explore the Easify Product Options app for Shopify. So if you want to add some custom fields like test inputs or a few file uploads or some extra add-ons onto your products page without any coding, this app is a perfect solution. Let's see how we can set up this in your Shopify admin panel. For this, you have to log into Shopify admin panel first, and you can just click on add button from here. And there is an option like Shopify App Store, discover more in Shopify App Store, and this pop up. So just clicking on this, you will land onto the Shopify App Store, and you can just search for the Easify Custom Product Option apps, particularly from the search tree. So you can see the installation pipeline is. So this may contain some overviews or some points of the app, and also there is a pricing plans they are giving. There is a free plans available for you. So I recommend to explore on free plans, and if you find this helpful, then you can just upgrade to their paid plans like this. And there are some genuine reviews from different merchants available here. You can go through this and just click on install button. Now this app will automatically install to your Shopify admin panel. And there will be a pop-up showing which require this app needs some access for your Shopify stores or panel. So just make sure that you have covered all this and verify this. After this, if this is helpful and this is beneficial, then you can just click on install button. Then this app section will show the Easify Options app as like this with different dashboards like templates, option sets, or maybe orders or some settings, integrations. There are multiple dashboards over here for this Easify Options. So there is some onboarding steps over here. You can just click on next. Yeah, these are some plans that they are offering, and you can see the templates for different scratches. And yeah, you can just uh, choose any if you want from this templates. Let's go with this. Yeah, the onboarding setup is done, and you can see the custom options of the product space like maybe name, number, batches, and additionals like this. Yeah, we can also have the edit option for this. And yeah, you have to enable the app embed from the option sets. You can see the activate the app embedded. So let's enable the app embed from our theme editor page like this. Make sure that the toggle button is active and go for saving it. Now the app is ready to use as the to just customize the product page like this. So let's see how this works after refreshing. You can see the app embed is enabled. Yeah, and we can just create our option sets like this from this. And you can just also have a look on different apps which are compatible for the integration with the Easify app. So that's how you can just set up the Easify Options product app in your Shopify admin panel. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.